I really like that you can kind of build a profile, and it really let me show off all of the skills I had. And I think that's what the DigitalGrads platform does really well, is it kind of lets you show off your education, your relevant experience, and kind of other things that might be interesting to a potential company that you're applying for. I'm Josie. I'm a junior full stack developer at Demand Logic. So I work on both the front end and the back end. My kind of experience before DigitalGrads was just using, this kind of standard LinkedIn, Indeed, those kind of like tools, but it wasn't particularly great. I was kind of finding that I would just send off loads of applications and wouldn't really hear anything back for kind of week. When I signed up to DigitalGrads, it was really nice to just have like a totally different process where you can just send off an application and you can kind of actually see the kind of progress through the DigitalGrads platform, which was really, really cool. So I'd say probably the highlights of the process with working with the team at DigitalGrads were I basically had just immediate communication with both the DigitalGrads team, so I could understand kind of how my application was progressing, and the people that were actually running the interviews and that I would have, ultimately end up working with. Just having that really consistent, really clear communication right from the get-go, and not having to worry about sending off an application, pinning off your hopes on it, but just having that feedback instantly means such a lot when you're going through, kind of your first junior role. And that's what the DigitalGrads platform gives you, which is really good. I definitely recommend DigitalGrads to another job hunter. I think it can just be super discouraging when you're sending off kind of applications and just hearing nothing back. And I think that's what's so powerful about the DigitalGrads platform, is you apply for something and you know immediately where your application is in that process. That's just so much better than just, sending out hundreds of applications and not hearing anything back.